Okay, very different evenings for people tonight, depending on where you are enjoying the evening.
Yeah, there are some areas of fog that are trying to form on the coast, and still eastern and northern Maine, it's sunny.
You're the place to be this week.
Yes, 2 days in a row.
Yeah.
Temperatures hitting the 80s. We were a couple off of today's record in Caribou, high of 83. Millinocket 81, Bangor 78. Even Augusta and Lewiston get into the mid-70s. Along the coastline, though, the wind coming in off the water all day, so that capped the temperatures for most in the 60s. Here are the numbers now, and you can see it's still warm in a lot of eastern and northern Maine. Rockland down to 59, Portland 61, Sanford 66 right now. You can see on the visible satellite there are passing clouds in a lot of southern Maine, but still some breaks of sun. And in eastern Maine, it's been mostly sunny much of the day today. We do have a few areas of light showers that are moving through the mid-coast right now, kind of drying up actually around Booth Bay, Wiscasset, maybe a sprinkle around Augusta, and actually a few showers and rumbles of thunder in the Jackman and Eustis areas. And you may see this again tomorrow because it will be warmer there with a bit more sunshine. Widening out the view, we do have some issues this weekend. There's a slow-moving system to our west, and that will bring periods of rain both Saturday and Sunday, and even lingers around into early next week too, as we'll show you. So heading out tonight, there's a chance for a spot shower, but I think most of the evening is going to be dry. There will be fog filling in though on the coastline, maybe a little drizzle. So we'll wake up tomorrow morning to more clouds than we did this morning. The best weather tomorrow will be farther inland. Around Route 2, the Oxford Hills, it'll be partly sunny. Many of us though will be stuck in the clouds for much of the day, although there may be some breaks of sunshine that develop during the afternoon. You can see where we do get that sun, there could be a pop-up shower or thunderstorm far inland tomorrow afternoon. Probably not many or any showers at the coast tomorrow. So 60s for most of us at the coast, only 59 in Rockland, but 70s for most of us inland tomorrow. So another nice day the farther away from the ocean you are. Tomorrow night we'll have clouds, a chance for a few showers, and then Saturday morning it's a gray start. It's cool with temperatures in the 50s with spotty drizzle and showers. But rain is more likely Saturday afternoon, and some of this may be heavy. There could be some rumbles of thunder as this comes in Saturday afternoon into Saturday evening. On Sunday, this system is still around, so we'll have a lot of clouds. It won't rain all day, but it looks like showers will develop, especially midday into the afternoon. So a chance for showers then. And Monday, this system hangs around too, so still expecting clouds and a chance for a few showers. And I have to tell you, looking out 10 or even 14 days, it's a kind of ugly weather pattern. You can see this trough here in the jet stream as we head into Memorial Day weekend. So I don't see any big time warm-ups or extended dry spells anytime soon. Seas tomorrow 2 to 3 feet with a light southerly wind on the water. So lots more clouds tomorrow, but the farther inland you are, a bit more sunshine. Inland areas do get into the 70s with a chance for a pop-up shower or storm in the mountains. Mainly dry Saturday morning, just a few showers will be around, but heavier rain is likely Saturday afternoon into Saturday evening. A showery day on Sunday, but not raining the whole time. And then Brian, early next week, it doesn't look great. It's not going to be washed out. There just won't be a ton of sun. Probably some on Monday and Tuesday, and then heavier rain possible Thursday next week.
Looks much more like an early spring forecast.
Yes, I agree.
Inching towards summer.
Yeah.
Okay, Ryan, thanks.
You're welcome.